Hi, I'm Serene. Welcome to my green kitchen where everything I make is completely plant-based. Normally at the end of the week, I have some brown bananas left over on my countertop. Today I'm going to be making them into blueberry pancake bars, so stick around and let me show you how I make them. Here's what you'll need: rolled oats, bananas, blueberries, plant milk, apple cider vinegar, baking powder, cinnamon, and salt. First, set your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, add your apple cider vinegar to your plant milk. I'm using almond, and it will start to separate. So set that aside. The next thing you're going to want to do is get a blender and add your rolled oats. And then to that, add the rest of your dry ingredients. Then blend it up into a powder. Next, take your bananas and add them to a mixing bowl, and then mash them up really well. Then add your separated plant milk. Then mix all of your wet ingredients. After that, add all of your dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix it very, very well. Then add your fresh blueberries. You can use frozen blueberries, but I'm using fresh because they're currently in season. Line a baking pan with parchment paper and then add your batter, and then spread it around nice and evenly. Then add some additional fresh blueberries on top. Then put your pan in the oven and set the timer for 20 minutes. So this is completely optional. I'm making a topping for my bars. It's just peanut butter and maple syrup, maybe about 2 tablespoons of each. You just add them to a bowl, mix them together. It's really easy. So after 20 minutes, your bars should be ready. You can test by poking the center with a fork, and the fork should come out clean. Let these cool for a couple of minutes, and then you can cut them into 16 or 9 equal pieces. So unlike normal pancakes, you can actually take these on the go, especially if you do use the topping that I made in this video. But if you want to, you can still stack them and pour maple syrup over them, and they're just as good. Also, these are way more convenient than normal pancakes because all you do is prep for about 5 minutes and stick them in the oven. If you like this recipe, let me know in the comments below and give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, I'll be putting them out every Saturday, so subscribe to my channel. Bye!